So Benchmade is a family-owned business. We've been in business for a little over 30 years. We are approximately 355 employees.
We've been made in USA since day one. A lot of people in our industry, a lot of companies rather, they do a lot of importing, which is fine. But for us, we chose to control as much as we could, whether it's quality, materials, craftsmanship, by doing it all ourselves internally.
We don't make the second or third best knife. We want to make the best knife, the highest quality, and every single unit that goes out has to meet a certain standard.
Benchmade has been on Syspro since the early 90s, and it has been transformative to this company. We found that the functionality inside of Syspro could address almost all of our pain points.
It's a significant pillar of our manufacturing operation. We have a factory store on premises, and yeah, we run Syspro POS, and it's done well for us.
The relationship with CRM and ERP is super critical to us because it helps us connect with the consumer and help connect them with product really from our side. So it gives us a full look from a manufacturing side, what's happening on that side. Helps us, stay organized and on track with everything.
That CRM is an important part of our warranty services. So if we want to do CRM, point of sale, quality, that we can go to Syspro and they have a way to deploy these apps in a way they're integrated to the ERP.
You would be surprised at the level of complexity to make a knife, to do all the different models that we do. That's where Syspro has really helped us.
There's many examples of how our leadership team uses Syspro today, but it's really about accurate, useful, timely data to help make decisions.
The data's there and available. I think it's super critical to have all that data live in one place so we can pull it and do different analysis and track on different metrics and understand where we are and how we're performing.
As it pertains to the future growth of the business, we now have a scalable platform and a system and a tool set that we can use and grow with.
Responsibility to make sure that we are keeping up with the trends, and having a close relationship with Syspro as a strategic advisor has been a great help to me as a leader in this area. I believe strongly that the software itself will not only keep up with us but lead the way for us and help me to drive that future forward. Benchmade's been on a strong growth trajectory, and Syspro has kept up with us. In fact, the future in front of us, we see we'll be able to grow with Syspro. We're not going to have to go change programs simply because we've grown so much in the last 15 years.
From my vantage point, Syspro has really helped me gain more pulse on the business anytime I want to have it. I'm able to go into the system and get a bird's eye view on all of the activity in any corner of the business. That visibility and proximity to me has really helped us, again, in real time, understand what the business is doing and how we're tracking, what challenges exist, what things do we need to overcome.
It's my hope that Syspro will continue to provide solutions that will help this business get to where it needs to be. We're growing, we're expanding, we're evolving, and we're going to need a technology partnership to pull that off. And we have a lot invested in Syspro. It's been around here for a while.